Hello, friend. This is Pete Ekstrom, known to some at Paylocity as Uncle Pete the Gold Caller. Last year, I began working with a few Paylocity account executives across the country to help them take the crazy out of their day with something called the Paylocity Gold Call Script Builder Kit. With all the management requests, travel, sales activity, forecast reports, presentations, demonstrations, and whatever else you're being asked to do, it's hard to find time for prospecting so that you can get the sales meetings you need every week to make your number and get to President's Club. So much to do, so little time. I'm here to help, if you'll let me. If you haven't heard of the Paylocity Gold Call Script Builder Kit, it's an online sales tool that takes the sting out of cold calling. The Paylocity Gold Call Script Builder Kit helps you make easy conversation with prospects on the phone or in person without feeling nervous, so that you're in total control of the sales call and can get a new sales meeting with a prospect scheduled to your calendar in under 4 minutes. Sound good? Under pressure, nothing works. And if you're feeling pressure speaking to prospects because of all the things you have on your mind and on your plate every day, here's how you spell relief. The Paylocity Gold Call Kit. You can learn more about gold calls for Paylocity and listen to some of the experiences shared by other Paylocity reps by visiting thegoldcall.com/Paylocity. That's thegoldcall.com/Paylocity. Have a listen to my collection of recorded gold calls to real sales prospects, and you'll get an idea as to how the gold call succeeds at getting sales meetings with prospects put to the calendar. What's next is entirely up to you. If you want help with prospecting, I'm here to help. Simply ask your sales manager for permission to expense the cost of the Paylocity Gold Call Kit, and our adventure begins. All right, there you have it. Thanks for listening. This is Pete Ekstrom, Uncle Pete the Gold Caller, saying so long for now and happy hunting.